How to limit someone on Instagram. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can simply limit somebody on your Instagram. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what you're going to do is open up the Instagram application on your mobile phone devices. Afterwards, you just have to go into the profile by tapping on the profile picture that is at the right bottom corner of your screen. Come onto a page like this or similar to this. You just have to tap on the three bar option that is at the top right corner of your screen. A dialog box would pop up from the bottom of the screen stating numerous options, and which you guys are going to go and tap on the settings option. That would be the number one. Then in this one, a new settings page will appear up in which you're going to go into the privacy. That is the third option. When this privacy page would open up in the interactions, going to go into the limits. That is the number one option. Once you tap on continue, so this is how you do it. This is the limits page and it will tell you who to limit, accounts that aren't following you, the recent followers, and its duration, that how long to limit. So this is how you do it. This is how you limit someone on your Instagram. I hope you guys find the video informative. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Till next time, peace.